Cold crept in through the back of July. Frost on the ground, white breath in the air. Turbines standing on the ridge line, like they were waiting, but going nowhere.
They said, trust us, it'll all be fine.
Sun and wind will see us through. Charts and plans on a summer screen didn't look much like the truth. We believed what we were told, right up till the night went cold. When the wind don't blow and the sun won't show, cold comes rolling in. That's when you know what keeps the lights on, and what was just pretend. Phones go quiet, streets go still, that low hum fades away. Funny how silence finds you faced when the power doesn't stay.
Factories dark, shop fronts closed, hospitals counting fuel. Funny how reality shows up
when belief stops being useful. When the wind don't blow and the sun won't show, cold comes rolling in. That's when you know what keeps the lights on, when what was just pretend. In winter arrives,
you feel it before you see it.
A stubborn high pressure system stalls over the Tasman.
Cloud,
Calm,
cold,
dark,
no breeze to turn the blades,
no break in the sky. Batteries flat by the second night, nowhere left to hide. They've got a word for nights like these,
but nothing turns when the grid can't breathe.
Dunkelflaute,
Dark,
still,
no mercy from the sky,
that's when physics speaks.
and storms